Hi everyone, this is Wen from Wen Group. Today I'm showcasing 312 Anita. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in the heart of Millbrae. Move-in ready? Let's take a look. 各位你们好，欢迎参观312 Anita。我们一起看看这个3房2卫装修好的房子长什么样，一齊嚟睇下。Situated in this sought-after Meadow Glen neighborhood, this updated single-story ranch-style home offers 3-bed, 2-bath with a perfect floor plan. Step into this open living dining room. It is decorated with a cozy brick fireplace. In the street, there's only 3 houses in this block, and we're the only house of the 3 houses facing Anita. So we got extra curb space for street parking if you have a big party. 前面很多停車位，雙車庫仲加埋超長嘅街泊，真係好方便啊！ The kitchen door was opened up recently to create a semi-open layout. The kitchen offers elegant granite countertop and backsplashes for easy cleaning, and stainless steel appliances for cooking up a feast for the family and friends. 開放式居住空間，餐廳、客廳、廚房自然流暢，渾然一體。呢間屋嘅格局方正合理，廚房又好新淨。3 spacious bedrooms are located in the back of the house, behind all the gathering spaces, providing ultimate privacy. The primary ensuite features a large jetted tub, his and her double vanity, and new lighting fixtures. 房子里面，睡房和洗手間空間布局合理，主臥套間洗手間還帶按摩浴缸和雙人的洗手台。3間瞓房1大2細，最啱家庭使用啦。Freshly painted inside out, 2-year new water heater, 5-year new furnace. This home is loaded with features and style, ready for you to move in. Oversized side yard has a potential to add a 4th bedroom. The seller even had an architectural drawing set ready for you in case you would want to expand. Or you can open up the fence for an RV to park here. 侧院平坦，还有後院，最適合小朋友們玩樂和家庭聚會。也可以在側面加建，側院改成第4間瞓房，或者打開門口個 fence 就可以停大型嘅房車啦。Proximity to top-rated Millbrae schools, easy access to downtown Millbrae with amazing eats, close to access to freeway 101. Welcome home. 地理位置優越，公立學校又非常好。行路就去到 Millbrae 市中心，行街買餸食飯一應俱全。What a convenient location and beautiful setup for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your own agent or us. We're gonna be here in the open house in the weekend waiting for you. 歡迎跟我們一起參觀。如果有任何問題，隨時跟我們提問，我哋一齊喺度等你㗎。